Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm testing my electric fat bike. I'm using a fortification dam in St. Petersburg to test my electric bike, but I can say it's not easy to get here but your feet, because it's closed territory. It's many beton blocks in the road. You can't drive even an motorbike, because if you have heavy bike you can bring it up the stairs, and here we have some barriers to going in this territory. And really you can move all of the dam. I think it's possible because every bridge have line for moving people. It's many sailors here, and they move in front side, and it's many sailors I move ahead when I driving here. So I think it's possible to reach nearest city is Kronstadt. It's very beautiful city. I can show some day, and really I test this bike in a real environment. So I can remind you about my electric fat bike. It's a test version of E-Cross light frame. Next time I said it's weight of a frame about 10 kilograms. I can make accurate. It's only 6 kilograms for frame with rear triangle. My bike powered by 48 volts and 13 amperes per hour battery. I don't know how it's range in fact, but today I'm driving about 10 or maybe 20 kilometers, and I have lost only 4 volts of voltage. I have no accurate measurement, but I can control my range by voltage at my LED screen at the handlebar. Also, I tested how my bike going small barriers, big barriers, how it's going at the sand. It's very good in the sand, because I even not getting a low pressure, but it's driving very nice, and I like it very much. So I testing this new frame, and I testing my build. It looks like amazing, because I can reach here and I can do it with another bike or another the Highlands. Because if you have small thin tires, you can't reach this location, because it's many sand and many rocks it's your way. Thank you for following. Subscribe my channel, put like if you like this video, and welcome again.